In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of Wi-Fi can't connect to this network on Windows 11. It's a common problem that many users face, but luckily there are a few straightforward steps you can follow to resolve it efficiently. So let's dive right into it. Firstly, we're going to forget the Wi-Fi network and reconnect it. This can often resolve conflicts or issues with outdated settings. To begin, open your settings and navigate over to Network and Internet, then select Wi-Fi. Once you're there, you'll see an option to manage known networks. This is where all your network connections are stored. Look for your Wi-Fi network on the list and click on Forget. By doing this, we're effectively removing the network details stored on your computer, giving us a fresh start. After you've done this, you'll need to reconnect. Find your Wi-Fi network again, click to join, and enter your password as you did when you first connected. This can help eliminate any previous errors caused by incorrect or outdated settings. Next, we'll try toggling airplane mode on and off. This may seem like a simple trick, but it can reset your network connections and resolve connectivity issues. Press the Windows ++, a keys to open the Quick Settings menu. From there, find the airplane mode icon and turn it on. It usually looks like a small plane icon. Wait for about 10 seconds. This brief waiting period ensures all your network connections have been properly disabled. After the time is up, turn airplane mode off again. Now try reconnecting to your Wi-Fi network. If these steps don't resolve the issue, our next move is to run the built-in network troubleshooter. This tool automatically scans your system for common network problems and attempts to fix them. To access this, start by opening Settings and going to System. Scroll down until you find the Troubleshoot option and click it. Within this menu, you'll see Other Troubleshooters. Select this to view a list of available troubleshooting options. Here you want to run the Network and Internet Troubleshooter. The troubleshooter will guide you through the process, analyzing your network connection settings and offering solutions for any detected issues. Follow any instructions provided and let the troubleshooter do its job. It's often capable of pinpointing and fixing issues that might be difficult to identify manually. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to resolving the Wi-Fi connection issue on your Windows 11 device. If all goes well, you'll find yourself back online without any hassle. Remember, technology can be finicky, but a little patience and troubleshooting can go a long way. Thanks for watching, and if you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.